Hello classmates, Professor Justin Gallant here, and today I will be demonstrating the Half-Life demonstration with, of course, pennies. So I will be dividing these heads and tails, and the ones with tails will be decayed, and the ones with heads will be alive. So now I shall dump these, and by the way, I am using a graph and a table for this, and let's get splitting them. So these are tails. We're just gonna split them tails to heads. So heads go over here. Heads, tails, tails. Heads, 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 and tails. So the heads have survived and the tails are dead. So we'll put those aside for now, and why don't we count the heads? So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 have survived. So 13 did not decay. But for the decayed side, which are the tails, I will now count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 of those rocks have decayed. So now put these aside, put the heads back in, which are alive. So it'd be better if I put those all back in there. We'll do the same thing again for trial 2. So push these out of the way. We'll dump these and split them heads by tails. So we got tails, 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 heads, heads, tails, tails, heads. So now for the decayed side, we have 2, 4, 6, 7. So we have 7 that are decayed, and for the alive we have 2, 4, 6 that survived. So 6 have survived in trial 2. So we're gonna set those aside, and for the final trial, trial 3, my fault guys, we're gonna put these all back in here, and we're gonna dump them for the third trial. So now, let's just split them again. Shall split them again. So we got 2, 3, 4, and 2. So we got 2 that decayed and 4 that survived. So let's do that. Put that there. These 4 are the final 4. So these 4 won, the other ones just decayed, and that stinks. So now, with the graph that I have right here, I will be graphing this. So with the alive, I'll be using dashed lines. For decayed, it'll be a thick line. So for trial 1, we had 13 that survived. So let's go just probably like, say right here, 13. Trial 2, 6. So probably down over here. And trial 3 is 4, so probably right there would be good. So now we will dash those lines. We gotta whoop, and swoop. So that line right there is the alive, A, D, just so you know. And for decayed, it starts off at 12, so probably approximately right here. For trial 1, for trial 2, 7, so we're probably about right here. And trial 3, we're at 2, so I'd say maybe right here. So let's get that line drawn. And yep, we got that line drawn. So that shows the rapid decay of the rocks, and the ones that survived and the ones that didn't. Well, yeah, not really that, but you know what I mean. Like the ones that are alive stayed at the end. This is basically the starting point, and the bottom is the end. So that is basically what that what the demonstration was all about. So I will conclude now, and thanks for taking your time.